In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off and on your camera and audio during a Zoom meeting. Whether you're new to Zoom or just looking to refine your virtual meeting skills, knowing how to manage your audio and video is crucial. This knowledge helps maintain privacy and professionalism and ensures you can control your presentation during virtual meetings. First, let's get started by opening the Zoom application on your device. Once you're in, you can either join an existing meeting or create one of your own. Whichever you choose, make sure that you're in the meeting interface where all interactions happen. As the interface loads, you'll notice that when you move your mouse, a toolbar appears at the bottom of the screen. This is your control center for all things video and audio during your Zoom meeting. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this toolbar as it contains all the necessary features you'll need to manage your meeting experience efficiently. Now, let's focus on the video aspect first. Within this toolbar, you'll see a button labeled Start Video. Clicking this button will turn on your camera, allowing other participants in the meeting to see you. If at any moment you want to stop sharing your video, simply click the Stop Video button right next to it. This is a fantastic feature for those moments when you need a bit more privacy during the meeting or want to take a brief pause from being on camera. Remember that toggling between these options is seamless, so you can go back and forth as needed throughout your session. Next up is controlling your microphone, which is equally as critical. Directly next to the video buttons, you'll find the mute button. By clicking it, you turn your microphone off, preventing any sound from your end from being broadcasted to the other participants. This is particularly useful in scenarios where there might be background noise or when you simply want to listen in without contributing audio. To resume speaking, click the Unmute button, located exactly where the mute button was before. This easy toggle helps facilitate smoother and more professional communication in your meetings, ensuring your voice is heard when you intend it to be. As you become more comfortable with Zoom, these features will become second nature, allowing you to navigate meetings with greater confidence and professionalism. Remember, the key to effective communication in any virtual meeting lies in understanding and utilizing these simple yet powerful tools. By mastering these basic controls, you're setting yourself up for virtual success in any environment. That's all for today's guide on managing your camera and audio in Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.